Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. Spelling rules. 1. We form most regular verbs in the past simple by adding ed. Verbs ending in e, add d. Watch, watched. Save, saved. 2a. Regular verbs ending in consonant-vowel-consonant. Double the consonant before the ending. ed. When the stress is on the final syllable or there is only one syllable. Stop, stopped. 2b. When the stress is not on the last syllable, the final consonant is not doubled. Open, opened.